Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Cumming, Georgia today. This job is going to be a huge challenge. It smells awful. There are three dogs and a cat that live here. Carpet is already brown, so it has a little bit, but the odor, especially in this room out here, is horrendous. This is a move out, actually a move in for this customer. They're moving out of this house into the one we cleaned about 2-3 weeks ago. And as you can see, there's several spots. I don't think the spots are going to be an issue. I think the odor is going to be the biggest challenge on this job. Which, be glad you can't smell through the camera because it's pretty strong. It smells like awful. You kind of get acclimated to it once you walk in, but after you walk in here for a minute or two, but as soon as you walk in, it's very, very unpleasant. So we're gonna load this up with disinfectant, and we'll shoot an after video when we get done. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's a little after 10. Just finished up this 9 o'clock job. Smells great. Looks even better. Everything came out nicely. If you recall. It's in pretty bad shape. But as you can see, it looks spectacular. Smells great. I'm actually gonna spray it again for odor, just for good measure, so to speak. So like I said, this was a repeat customer. We cleaned the move-in house 2 or 3 weeks ago. This is the move-out house. So it's kind of a double dipping as far as business goes. But, you know, it's nice to get repeat business, of course. Again, you saw the spots. This is a $160 job. No per spot fees, no upsells, no extra charge for the disinfectant for the odor, because we don't believe that families with four-legged family members should be penalized. 404-500-9853 on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching. This is Mitch with OMG Floor Care, OMG Carpet Cleaning. Have a great day.